This is a 2004 Ford Escape. We'll be replacing the cabin filter. So in order to change the cabin filter on this Ford Escape here, you're going to need a Phillip head, a little pry tool, and maybe a little flathead as well. The Phillip heads, they're going to be 4 plastic Phillip heads that hold a clip in place, 1, 2, 3, and 4, that you will have to remove, as well as 4 more Phillip heads here that are covered by a little cover like this, a little cap that you use the flathead to remove and just kind of pull it out the way. Once you do that, you just like a normal Phillip head, you just have them all just pretty much thrown in here. Just remove those Phillip heads there, and these are the Phillip head clips I was telling you about. Once you do that, just pull this up, put it to the side, and you'll see it says pull those up, and exposes the cabin filter. I already replaced it, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back on, making sure these clips are in place up here. Also putting this back on top in the correct position and just putting it back in place. Also, FYI, you will have to stop the windshield wiper blade like while it's in motion, so you can get to this 4th Phillip head screw there. But after that, you're done. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos to come.